Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings nation. And no, we no need no ladder. Now welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, Jaden Chase, another one that we're going to bring another important reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm don't know, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a shape on the vlogging shoot. Now, first and foremost, let me say this. Any vlogger or artist who say Gaza get my full support. Any artist or vlogger who disrespect Gaza, violate the teacher, and go against the nation, a dirt settings. Now, executive order has been issued, meaning set forward from the top. Now, recently, Gaza Diva make a video about virtual TV. Now, all of the things them mama outline are things when we hear the fans them attack. But for the executives, they must say the problems deeper than that. They must say first and foremost, if you say Gaza or you show support, it's true loyalty. Nobody will say Gaza and supporters paint a negative picture about the nation. And I guess the executives have said the track record, and that speaks for itself. People know so no matter what my title say, them know we come to explain the situation and burn a fire, but we need to get burn a fire pan. Recently, Diva put out a video and say, Tam Lee's part of here get do in a prison. Right away, due to track record, we know says a fire, mama burn pan a story like that. So I'm gonna follow up the title thing as long as they not disrespect the nation, the teacher, or the movement. Now recently somebody has shown me say a vlogger named CV, a vlog for the Vendetta camp. Go live recently and a talk with a caller who say them help set up virtual TV if you get kicked out of the Gaza camp. And them a laugh on the live and I said them no want him over the other camp. Viewers and subscribers, not anything we do, you make a decision and you stick with it. We say Gaza long before vlogging and we not stop say Gaza. And to the support the Vybz Kartel show, not only artists but now vloggers, we could have never disrespect the general. So naturally we have a problem with anybody who violate the general. So I see what people are saying. When anybody go against the nation, whether it be Rhino when him go live, whether it be Lisa when she did make the post and make her statement, as the people must say right now a virtual TV, we disrespect the teacher. Of course we're gonna have a problem with that. We're not responsible with the other camp of say, because winners watch winning and losers watch winners. But when you put yourself in a situation for the other camper. Number 4 in the game, come say all them name you do it. Come say Gaza Diva do it. Come say Virtual do it. Yeti. Naturally, if you say Gaza will hold it to a certain standard. Nobody will say Gaza not supposed to put out no video where paint no negative picture about the nation. Jaden Chase now have no affiliation with nobody where violate the nation. As a alone, unmatched and undefeated. Because the nation knows something go. Keep supporting the movement. Keep supporting the music. New videos on the way. Yes, the Air Force One video viewers and subscribers. We have already shot the scenes. I think at this point the video probably is in edit mode. You know, go through the different clips. Take out, add in, and you know what I mean? And get it ready for the fans. Obviously the Rich Forever video already edit. And you know the track out right now, the official audio out right now on Jesse Royal page. But the video already edit and that about to drop soon. And what good with that track is that it's showcase dancehall and reggae. And the track itself is blended seamlessly. And you don't know the thing will live later on. So look out for that. But it's the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. Put it on all, and this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. So as soon as I drop the video them, you're gonna know. Now, The like icon and the share icon is also in close proximity. You can drop a like on the video said speed and bust a share on the vlog said speed. Drop a like and bust a share, you know the something go. Comment section open 24/7. Never lack yet, just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, you can drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can contain the reasoning via the comment section. Yeah man, you know the thing, yeah man, move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is of course want to live, love and prosper until we reason again.